Okay, this is how you connect to your account using Dreamweaver. First thing you want to do is go to Site and New Site. And give your new site a name. I'm going to call it My Portfolio. And the first thing Dreamweaver asks for is where are your files stored on your computer? And by the way, I'm in the Advanced tab. So we have to tell Dreamweaver where all our files are going to be stored, or where they're stored already if we already have files there. So it's best to move all your modules and work into the folder that we're going to choose. So for me, I'm going to choose, I'm going to choose your portfolio folder. And now it wants to know where the images folder is. You probably don't have an images folder yet. So if that's the case, you need to click New Folder and create one. And make sure you use a lowercase I and not a capital I. And click Choose. So here we see I've got my main portfolio folder here, and then nested within that is my images folder. Next, click over to Remote Info. We can actually leave that blank. That's okay. For Remote Info, make sure it's set to FTP. For the host, type in jerk.org. For the login, unless you're one of the few exceptions to the rule, you will type in your last name. For example, I have a student, her name is Miss Lou, and so I'm going to type in her last name, which is Lou, and the password, which you should remember from class, but if you don't, it's orange 1 exclamation point. And let's click Test. That's what you want to get. Adobe Dreamweaver CS4 connected to your web server successfully. That's how you know you did everything right. And that is configured.